Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this time I want to demonstration about my new game. It's called Block Breaker. So here is the gameplay. You can the start button, and then you can choose skin. I will use this one. So this is everybody you have to break block. But if the ball is touching with the ground, you will lose like this. So for the for this thing, I like like Alien Invader game that just when you click or when I play is set X to mouse X, so it will follow my cursor, and then if touching this ball or plant, it will broadcast bounce. So bounce is when I reach bounce, start sound basketball stop bounce, then point in direction 180 minus the direction, the in this direction, and then it will bounce like if on edge bounce. So for the button play play button, I use broadcast to pick your skin, then this three sprite will show, and then when this sprite click, broadcast this skin, and this one is Jupiter skin, and this is Earth skin. So I think that's all from me about demonstration about my game is Universe Breaker or Block Breaker. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.